Action words. Let's learn the action words. Eat. Eat. I am eating pizza. Drink. Drink. I am drinking water. Run. Run. The boy is running. Walk. Walk. The girl is walking. Sleep. Sleep. She is sleeping. Play. Play. The kids are playing. Sit. Sit. I am sitting. Jump. Jump. They are jumping. Laugh. Laugh. They are laughing. Cry. Cry. She is crying. Talk. Talk. They are talking. Think. Think. He is thinking. Wash. Wash. He is washing. Cook. Cook. I am cooking. Listen. Listen. I am listening. Sing. Sing. She is singing a song. Watch. Watch. They are watching TV. Dance. Dance. She is dancing. Ride. Ride. I am riding a cycle. Smile. Smile. He is smiling. Read. Read. I am reading a book. Clean. Clean. I am cleaning. Write. Write. He is writing. Smell. Smell.